This guide shows you step-by-step how to flash the Yocto image onto the EBOX-IMX8MM using a Windows PC. Here's what you'll need before writing the image to the eMMC, the recovery image, and UUU burning software, a Windows 10 or 11 PC, and a micro USB to USB cable. By the way, ICOP provides ready-to-use image packages for our customers. Simply head over to the ICOP wiki to download it. Now let's begin the process of installing Yocto Linux. Step 1. Switch the jumper to serial download mode as shown on screen. Step 2. Power on your Windows PC, make sure you have the UUU tool downloaded, and unzip the Yocto OS image file. Step 3. Open the command prompt or terminal as administrator, then use the CD command to navigate to your unzipped folder directory. Step 4. Execute the UUU.exe command followed by your AutoScript file and press enter. Please note, you should replace 250114.auto with your actual .auto file name. Step 5. Wait until the message "Wait for known USB device appear" is displayed on your terminal. Step 6. Connect cable A to both the powered-off eBox and your Windows PC. The PC will then automatically start flashing the Yocto image to the eBox. Step 7. Once the restoration process is complete, safely remove cable A from the eBox. Step 8. Use your jumper switching tool to change the jumpers on SW-1 back to internal boot mode. Step 9. Finally, power on or reboot your EBOX-IMX8MM and it will boot directly into the Yocto desktop. You're all set!